Do you like beautiful drives?
Well, come along with us as we drive from Palm Desert to Menifee, California. That's what we're fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Ansley.
And we're younger every day. So basically we sold all our stuff in Texas, bought a fifth wheel, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west. Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy life, aren't we? On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, take you on amazing adventures, and share cool drives just like this one. If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right, over my head, right up here to get caught up. Click subscribe and join the younger gang so you can be a part of our community, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Today's a travel day for us, so we thought we'd share one of our drive videos. This one's from Palm Desert, California to Menifee, California. Check it out. So that was a fun drive, don't you think so? Yeah, we like that drive. It's beautiful, and winding through the mountains in between Beaumont and Hemet is really cool. Now we want to know, what's one of your favorite drives? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And let us know you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe and join the Younger Gang. Also, I hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there. So, on travel day, sharing a drive that we've done, it's just another way that we're living younger every day. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next one.